This is how you smash. Hold like this. Frame hits right here. For me, there is 3 steps when you smash. First one is opening up in your upper body. Elbow up, so it's not here, here. Then elbow up, swing. So step 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? When you're up here, it's really important that you're squeezing the grip to hit harder. So when I rotate in my forearm, I'm also squeezing the grip. So this will happen.